Hello everyone, this is my review of this tire inflator. This portable air compressor is incredibly efficient, inflating my car tires to 0.5 times faster than my old pump. The 150 psi capacity means it can handle a variety of tasks, from car tires to bike and motorcycle tires, and even sports equipment. I can use it anywhere, without worrying about finding an outlet. I've used it on my car and bike, and it worked flawlessly each time. The built-in LED light is also a thoughtful feature, making it easy to use in low-light conditions. It comes with a sturdy carrying case, which keeps everything organized and makes it easy to store. The various nozzles included are great for inflating balls and other items, adding to its versatility. Overall, I highly recommend this tire inflator, and I hope this review helps.